Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will share you how you can create your NFT gas fees calculator website, a tool website using ChatGPT. So if you are new in my channel, first to subscribe now and create a new ChatGPT account if you don't have a ChatGPT account. So let's go. I can go to my ChatGPT account and write a prompt. Create a NFT listing gas fees checker website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and ChatGPT provide me. Sure, I can provide you with a basic template for creating a NFT listing gas fees checker website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And you can see my HTML code here, my CSS code here, and my JavaScript code here. So I can go to my text editor and create a file format. So I can go my text editor and create a new folder and create three different type of files. First, index.html, script.js and style.css. So I can open my index.html and copy my HTML code. I can copy now, paste now and save now. Next, I can go to my style.css and copy my CSS code and paste now and save now. And third step, I can copy my JavaScript code and paste now on script.js file and save now. I can save all my files and go to my localhost and refresh now, and you can see my NFT listing gas fees checker website is ready. So you can enter your NFT price. For example, I input 0.01 Ethereum and calculate gas fees. The gas fees for listing this NFT is 0.0005 ETH. So you can watch. So you can create now your own NFT listing gas fees website, and if you need any help, so you can comment now and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching this video.